Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have two Sephora sets to share with you guys. I have the Sephora favorites. It's called the Sweet Picks. It is $30 US, $40 in Canadian. It has a $61 US value. It's hard for me to read things. Oh my gosh. Then I also have the Sephora favorites pop. So this is their new box. Instead of doing the Sephora bags they used to do, they have different bags and boxes that you can actually get now that are like different prices. This was $12, but this has full size items in it and this does not. So this is all like deluxe sizes, so like the sample sizes. But you guys know trying to get samples from Sephora is a little hard. You usually have to use either a code to get them or you have to use your points, and your points are like you get 1 point per dollar that you spend. So this is actually a good deal if you're looking to get some more deluxe samples that are the name brand, the more high-end brand. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this one first so I can show you guys everything that's inside of the pop box just in case you're interested in it. I do think it's still available. Let me double check because it was like one of those things like you could get it and then it, they sell out very quickly. So let me see if you can still purchase this. I'm hoping you can. Yes, you can still get it. It still says add to your basket. So you can still purchase this for $12. So if you're interested in it, you're going to see what's inside of here. Or like, I'm going to show you guys, and then you can go purchase it if you want to. So the first thing on top are some stickers. So we have some stickers here. These say Beauty Zone and some different things here. So they're just cute little stickers, Sephora stickers. And then we have the Beauty Zone quiz. So, or no, it's not a quiz. What is this? Beauty Zone. Oh, so it's telling you the full size pricing for everything. So this tells you the full size price for everything that's in this box. And then you open it all the way up and you have everything here, which, I mean, this looks like some really decent sizes for $12. I'm not gonna lie. This is a really, really good box in my opinion. So the first thing I see here is from Huda Beauty. So here is a Huda Beauty lip product. So let's see what it says about this lip product, what it is. This is the Huda Beauty Celebrating. Oh my gosh, I need to get my reading glasses because I can't see nothing. Can't see. All right, so it says Huda Beauty, creating bar raising obsession worthy beauty that's everyone's dying to try. It's a silk balm hydrating and nourishing lip balm. It's $21 for the full size. And I know this is not the full size, but my goodness, this is a really decent size. So I would say you could still get away with using this for a long time. And if you're like me, you don't go through lip products very quickly. So this would probably be something that you could use for quite a while. I'm trying to get it open. Oh my gosh. I'm struggling here. Let's use some scissors. Slide it down. I can't find my handy dandy cutters. I don't know what I've done with them. Who knows? Oh my gosh. I cannot open this. Here it goes. That was a struggle. Goodness gracious. They are not expecting anybody to get into this very easily. Okay, so it's like, is that holographic? I'm not sure. It's like very pretty. And either way, it's just a very pretty packaging. And then the lip product itself, oh my gosh, I can't get it out. Looks like this. It has the doe foot applicator here. And then it doesn't smell like anything, and it's just a balm. So there's nothing really to it. It's just a lip balm, which is nice though, because in the summertime, I'm very simple about my makeup in the summer. I don't like to go into like a lot of like color detail for my lips or anything. So this is going to be perfect for the summer. The next thing in here is from DP Hue. This is the ACV apple cider vinegar hair mask. I've always heard that using apple cider vinegar is actually really good for your hair. So if you're someone, you're curious about trying it in your hair, this is a good way to try it instead of getting a bottle of apple cider vinegar and doing it at home. They've already made it ready for your hair. This is the apple cider vinegar hair mask. The full size is $42. It says making nourishing products that treat your hair like the crown it's in. What crown it is? What? I don't know. Okay, I can't read today. So anyway, this is 2 ounces. So this is a decent deluxe size. So again, you're gonna get at least 2 or 3 uses out of that. The next thing is from Wishful. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. It says it has air enzymes. I'm not sure what that means, but okay. So here is the Wishful Scrub. It comes in this little yellow container. And this is, oh my gosh. This is how many ounces? 0.67 fluid ounces. So you have 0.67 ounces here. And it says, giving the beauty community community skincare that's clean, simple, and ready for holy girl status. Yo Glow Facial Enzyme Scrub is $39. So this is a new product. I've not tried this before, so I'm excited to try this. Anything that's in this that I haven't tried before, I'm actually going to put it into my sample Sunday basket and try it out there, because that way there I can give you guys more information on these products. The next thing is from Clean Reserve. This is the Aqua Neroli perfume. This is one I've been wanting to try. I was going to purchase it, but I was like, I don't know. I really like the clean skin. I really like the way that one smells. But other than that, like some of the other scents from Clean, I don't absolutely love. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells really nice. It's got like a jasmine scent to it. Is there jasmine in it? I don't know why, but I smell jasmine. Floral Family Citrus, Aqua Neroli. I don't know, but it smells really nice. This says, a fragrance brand that knows there's nothing chicier or more desirable than sustainability. Reserve Aqua Neroli is $98 for the full size, so it's expensive. But I mean, if you are someone you love a good perfume, that's a good way to try it out, see if you like it, and then if you do love it, then you can purchase the full size. The last thing in here is from Murad. This is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser for normal to oily skin. I do have dry skin, but I do use this cleanser and it works fine for my skin. I do have acne that I try to treat. So this is awesome. I love to have one of these in the smaller size to actually use for traveling and things like that. So I'm actually really excited about this as well. This is Murad. Oh wait, it says there's something else in here. Oh yes, there's something else in here. So setting the standard for high performance skincare that's anything but average. This is $32 for the full size. The last thing is from Shani Darden. I got a product from Shani Darden in my, it used to be called the Rachel Zoe box of style. Now they've changed it to the Curator box. I got a full size one of those in there and it was such a good product. So I have tried this brand before, but I haven't tried this. This is the Retinol Reform. So I haven't seen or heard anything about this either. It says crafting cult favorite products that sell out faster than you can say retin. This is $88 for the full size, which is about the same price as like Drunk Elephant as well as Sunday Riley. So I don't know. We'll have to try it out and see if it's any good or not. So that is everything that is in the Beauty Zone Pop Favorites box for $12. I definitely say it's worth it. So if you guys are looking into getting one, hop onto Sephora and pick yours up for only 12 bucks. I was going to say $12 and then bucks at the same time. So I was going to say 12 buckers. That's not a word. So anyway, let's go ahead and move on to this bag right here. This is the Sephora Favorite Sweet Picks. It's the Juicy Favorites. $30, like I said. There are 2 full-size items in this bag here. So you're getting a Lancome product for full size and you're getting a Fenty Beauty product that's full size. So very, very worth it if those 2 products were something that you were interested in trying. So let's go ahead and see the actual products. So here's the bag. Nothing fancy about the bag. It's just a canvas bag and it says Sephora on it with a yellow like zipper detail. And then inside of here you have a mask. So you have a pineapple face mask. I love pineapple. So I'm excited to try this. It says it is made for, what is it for? Pore perfecting. It's a 5-minute mask. So I'm probably going to do this tonight. I'm going to use this mask and see how good it works for my skin. There's no like pamphlet. Oh wait, on the back of here, there is something here. Let's see what it says. Pineapple face mask. Oh, it just tells you the ingredients. So if you're looking for ingredients, it'll tell you that. Okay, the next thing inside of here is from Laneige. This is the lip sleeping mask. I absolutely love this sleeping mask. It is really comfortable on your lips. You can use it in the daytime too. I don't think it's one of those masks that you can only use at nighttime. I use it in the daytime and nighttime. This is a perfect size to keep like at your desk or something like that. So I'm happy to have a deluxe size sample of that. The next thing is our full size. This is the Fenty Cream Blush. I was gonna say bronzer. This is in Summertime Wine. It is a beautiful, like almost like a, I don't know what color you call that, I'll be honest. It's just a really pretty color. So here's what the color looks like. I'm gonna swatch it. And of course, a cream product is going to blend out really nicely. So with the way I'm putting it on with my finger, you wouldn't put it on like that. So it's gonna be a little bit more intense on my hand. So when you'd actually use it onto your skin with a brush or with a sponge, it's gonna like disperse. No, that's not the word. It's going to look better on your skin. Either way, it's not gonna look like this. But even if it did look like this, I love this color. Cream products are actually all the rave right now. Everybody's using a lot of cream products, cream bronzers, cream blushes, cream highlights. I know that they're actually really good for dry skin, and if you have a problem with your makeup kind of like moving and transferring, you should try to use a cream product and then use a powder product on top, and it should stay all day. So I'm excited, and this is full size, like I said, and I'm not sure how much that is in full size, but I guarantee you it's close to the $30 price tag that I paid for this bag. The next thing is the other full size item. This is the Lancome Juicy Tube. So this is basically just a lip gloss. It is in Spring Fling. So it's just a nice lip gloss. I have tried these before. I absolutely love these. These are really nice on the lips. They're not too sticky. They do have a little bit of tackiness to them, but nothing to where you're like, oh my gosh, it feels like I'm wearing honey on my lips. They're just really nice. Very hydrating, and they actually taste good too. I know that you're not supposed to eat your lip products, but I mean, come on, we all do it. Or at least I think we all do it. The next thing in here is from Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. So I don't know if I've tried this before or not. I can't remember. But here's a little Glow Recipe product, and this is 0.17 ounces. So it's a nice deluxe size sample to try out. And then the last thing in the bag is from Briogeo. This is the Briogeo Be Kind, Be Gentle Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. I've tried their normal mask and I wasn't impressed. I didn't like it very much at all. So I'm kind of hoping this one is a game changer for me, because I don't love the brand Briogeo, because I feel like most of the products I've tried are just not perfect for my hair. But I'll try this one out and see if maybe it's different. I don't know. It just seemed like their products are very thin and they don't really do much for my hair. It could be just me. I'm sure that I've heard, I mean, obviously it's probably just me, because it does really well on Sephora. Like, it sells really well. So I think it's just me. Either way, I'm excited to try it out and see how good it is. But that is everything in the 2 boxes or bags that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you're interested in either one of these products, I do believe that the bag is still available as well. Let me double check. Let's see. View details. Yes, the bag is still available. So you can still pick up the Sweet Picks for the summer, which is this little bag here. And you can still pick up the Pop Beauty Zone. So you can pick up either one of these still, which is great, because I think this is the better value, I'll be honest. I mean, of course, the Fenty blush is really nice to have because that is full size. The Lancome is very nice because it's full size. But if those aren't products that you're interested in, then this to me would be a better value. So $12, and you get a ton of deluxe size samples to try out. Anyway, let me know your thoughts below. I would love to hear what you think of these little Sephora sets that they have available right now. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.